What's up, guys? It's Jaden51127, and today I'm going to be playing an Ironman simulator. Oh, that's stop-motion-drip. You guys know what it is. Alright, so I wonder what suit he's got. Oh, it's blue. How did he get that? Yeah, I remember playing with him. Come here. Get back here. Hey! No! 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 I gotta run. What is that? No! No way! He blew me up. Oh, man. Alright, so I did. Oh, cute. What's this? I wonder what this is. What is this? I'm orange. I'm orange. Orange and silver and black. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Oh my gosh. Is this Ironman? This Ironman? This how far you go back. And then look at it's better if I zoom in. Now what? Let me see. I'm going. Comment down below if you know this suit is. I'm falling. I don't know if you know what this suit is. I don't know what happens if I shoot cannons. What happens if I take my... Where'd it go? Oh, guys, let me zoom out. Holy crap! My suit! My suit! Look, how do I get back in it? Hey, no. Dude, so cool. What did I just do? What did I just do? I'm gonna knock it down. Hey, I'm gonna break you a little behind. Now what? Oh, I got the perfect thing. I'm gonna run in the building and try to make them come to me. We don't need text messages. Alright, so I'm gonna speed up. My next video is gonna be me playing this basketball. Oh my gosh. And it has park, your gym, rec, and league. I have to create that, and I don't know how because it says unavailable. We're close to the doors. That suit is so far. Let's try to hurry far as we can. Alright, what is this, guys? Oh my god. Don't mind the background if you hear talking. What is this? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to run from this. No, I'm trying to run from the suit. I'm trying to, fly better if you... Oh my god. What just happened to me? There goes this. I'm gonna try to find that. Why did I do that? Why? No. I keep flying. What? Now what? Oh no, not again! I play on PC. My gosh, that was something else. So, see the Iron Man simulator. That's stop motion drip.